everybody, I'm Susan from LVandmore, and today's Thursday, almost Friday. Yippee! If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like and subscribe. I always appreciate that. And if you're returning, thanks again for your support. I do appreciate it. I do have a unboxing today. I ordered this from one of the gals in my Louis Vuitton group. She lives in Montreal, and today's Thursday, and I ordered this on Monday. That's fairly quick. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing here. I have my blade, and let's see what I got here. Alright. Yeah, she wrapped it really nice. Oh, she wrapped it like that. That's nice. It's a little different. It's kind of like a cellophane. Alright, and she wrapped it in tissue paper. It's not very big. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I got this right here. It's in really good condition. Okay. And I got a small luggage tag that has the Paris stamp on it. And you can only get this if you go to Paris. So that's my highlight today. So I'll be doing later on this week, I'll be doing some of my collection videos, so look forward to that. And until next time, thanks for watching LVandmore. I hope everybody's having a great day. Bye guys.